We will look at how to add hinge constraint to create an animation like this. So you can see that the balls are falling through hurdles and then the blue one wins. So we'll look at the purple is ahead, then the red is ahead, then the green is ahead, and in the end blue wins. And you can see that these are rotating. So to create these rotating hinges, what I have done is I have added an empty which is exactly at the center of this object. So you can select any object and then you can go to object, snap cursor to selected, and then you can add empty arrow. Okay, the arrow has been rotated 90 degrees so that the z-axis is along which this will rotate. So in the previous tutorial we had used this as an active passive, but now it is active because we want it to interact and animate as objects collide with it. Now this object has a rigid body constraint which is hinge, and then the first object I have used this main passive object. So it has to be any passive object in the scene, so I've used this, and the second object is the hinge itself. And then when we play it, because we don't have any constraint, it will keep rotating. If I add a 45-degree constraint, then you can see that it rotates only 45 degrees, and because they are all connected, so it got stuck here because of the way the animation happens. So we will simply remove this constraint, and then it will rotate all the time, and then you get this animation. Okay, so hinge constraint can be used to create interesting hurdles. Thank you very much.